This video will teach you how to create a quick link to any Excel file in your Microsoft Word document. Click the Insert tab. Click Object and Object. Click the Create from File tab. Click Browse. Select it, then Insert. Check the box next to Link to File and click OK. This will create a link to your file that others can click to view the Excel data at its original location. If you'd rather embed it within your Word document, check the box next to Display as icon. And click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.